Thousands of people have taken to the streets of Spain in the largest protest against the housing speculation and to the demand access to the affordable homes. Also, organizers claim that up to 150,000 joined the protest in the Madrid, while smaller demonstrations were held across 40 cities that also around the cities. Also, protesters from the Malaga on the Costa del Sol to Vigo in the Atlantic Northwest chanted, "End of the housing racket" and "Landlords are guilty. The government is responsible." People were seen chanting these things. Also, a spokesperson from the Madrid Tenant Union called for rent strike, such as those mounted recently in some Catalan coastal towns. "This is the beginning of the end of the housing business," Raku said. "Also the beginning of a better society without landlordism and the parasitical system that devours our salaries and our resources." The union say 1.4 million Spanish households spent more than 30% of their income on housing, 2 lakh families more than 10 years ago. Also, housing has become #1 social issue in Spain as a combination of property speculation and tourist apartments have driven the cost of rented housing beyond the reach of all but most wealthy. Also, official statistics suggest that there are at least 15,000 legal tourist apartments also in the Madrid, while in Barcelona the city council says that it will not renew the existing 10,000 illegal tourist apartment licenses when they expire in 2028. What was initially a problem in the areas with a high concentration of tourists such as the Balearic and the Canary Islands as well as Barcelona has become an issue across the country, with the protest in Seville, Valencia, Santiago de Compostela, Burgos and the San Sebastian among other cities, where protest ratted sets of key in what has become a symbol of discontent over the lack of affordable homes. In the Balearics, the average rent for a small apartment has risen by 40% in 5 years to about $1,400 a month, more than the average monthly salary of those working in the hospitality sector, the region's main industry. Also, the young have been hardest hit in the housing costs have soared while the salaries remain stagnant. A study published by the Spanish Youth Council showed that a lack of affordable housing meant that last year 85% of young people under the 30-year age also were still living with their parents. In Barcelona, where thousands gathered in the Plaça, protesters demanded a 50% reduction in rents, indefinite leases and an end to the property speculation. According to the Catalan housing agency, rent in Barcelona have increased by 70% in past 10 years. Salary rose by 17.5% over the same period. Also, the housing game is rigged in favor of anyone whose asset, while tax incentive encouraged them to acquire more and more property, said Jamie Palmora of the Barcelona Urban Research Institute and the author of Il de la. Also, the rich have gone richer since the financial crisis in 2018 and the COVID crisis, and that they have used this wealth to buy more and more property, constantly driving up prices and increasing inequality. The fact is that property offers a better return than other investments. We have an economic model that encourages investment in assets that don't create any value but simply use rent as a way of sucking money out of the middle classes. The solution, Palmera also says, is to tax those who own multiple properties. He cited the example of Singapore, where the state offers financial support to the first-time buyers but imposing an ascending tax regime on the second and subsequent